I'm Ayla Madrid. I'm the ambassador of Building and Skilled Trades area of interest. I'm currently majoring in architecture at Laney College. The Building and Skilled Trades area of interest teaches students to have a passion for carpentry, machining, or architecture through hands-on experience and courses taught by professionals who have already worked in the industry. Students can feel confident they will leave the classroom with the skills necessary to excel in their field. Some of the courses offered are Fundamentals of Building Science, Machine Technology, Industrial Hydraulics and Pneumatics, and more. These classes will help students graduate from Laney with an associate's degree or help offer guaranteed admission to a California state school through the Associate Degree Transfer Program, as well as provide certification to students who would like to quickly begin their careers in their industry of choice. Some of the degrees offered are Wood Technology, Electrical and Electronics Technology, and Architecture, as well as certification in Construction Management, Welding Technology, and more. Students who are interested in pursuing a degree from the Building and Skilled Trades area of interest can find more information at laney.edu. Thank you so much for watching. We look forward to seeing you at Laney College.